Okay, it's been a while since I've done a video, but I got this 2004 3500 Dodge Ram with a 5.9. This is a 24 valve. This is one plush truck. I haven't detailed it yet, which it will be done. This truck does not need anything but a couple front tires on it. The paint is excellent on it. A few little blemishes, but not much. The seats are phenomenal. It's a hard find here. Only thing make it better if it was a four-wheel drive. It is an SLT. Got a gooseneck plate in the back. I want to tell you thank you for viewing my videos. And as always, please check back. I post all the time. I've just been a little lazy here lately. And I want to apologize to my fans, my regular people that watch me all the time. Like I said, we have not detailed it yet. But you're seeing it as we took it in. But the seats are not wore out. Could use a cover. Got a few little spots there in the seats. Turn this radio down. 184,000 miles. Cruise control. Got real cold AC. And look at this. For an 04, the dash is immaculate. All right, with 184,227 on the miles, I'll be posting what I'll be selling this for right below my contact information. If this is something you're interested in, like I said, please be sure to check my other videos. I sell new and pre-owned. I'm a Ford, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Hyundai dealer. That number is 817-243-9840. And as always, have a great day.